Okay, so I really can't stress this enough that I have to, and I'm sure you want to. Um, sure, we want to learn the shapes, but you have to memorize the string shape. So the E string shape would be 7 root 2. I mean, this is so easy, folks, but yet people just don't want to do it, or it just takes a lot of practice and time and concentration sometimes to memorize these things. So I've got these down pat. All right, that's how I play, and let's just you have to trust me. That's how I play with the string shapes. Of course, I'll use patterns. I'll use counting without the letters. But if I'm trying to make a decision, like where am I? If I know I'm on a C string shape here, 7 root 2, but all of a sudden I forgot what pattern I'm in. All right, with 7 root 2, going down one string, it's going to be the fourth of that C string shape, that E string shape rather. So it would be an A string shape down there. Okay, so that way I know individual string shapes. 7 root 2 is the E string shape. So I know to go, if I want to go to the right, I'm going to go in caged. I'm going to go to a D string shape, sharing that outer note, that 2, 2, 3, 4 for the D string shape. If I want to go to the left, I'm going to go up a pentatonic scale from E. E goes to G. I'm going to go to root 7, 6 for that G string shape. So it pays to know the string shapes. Simply not asking you to learn anything new except the numbers in the string shapes when we're missing the 4th and the 7th. So here, what would have been a 7 there, there's a 4 here, there's a 7 here, and there's a 4 here. So we memorize these configurations of the string shapes. That's what I'm suggesting that you do. So you can put together, and you have to know where the space is. See, you have to know where the space is. I was going to put I had the lettering in like in gray or something, but I decided that it would be better to actually leave it blank so you can see how they line up. So this is a pattern. You have an S3, S here, okay, stack of 3 short and a stack of 2 long. This is how I started the whole string shape system with the pentatonic scales here. Now, take away the 6th and the 2. All right, so now instead of, here's all the notes, that's pentatonic. Then we're going to go tritonic. We're not playing the 2, the 4, the 6, or the 7. We're playing. Okay? So now we're left with a 3 in the middle of the string shape. A just has 1 left. An R in the middle of the string shape. The outers of the C and G is a special case. It just has the root up on this side. You memorize this and you can play these tripentatonic, these triads rather, not tripentatonics. So let's say we're looking at the D string shape, 2, 3, 4. We're just going to play the 3. The A string shape comes next, 5, 6. We'll just play the A. So we'll go 3 to the 5. The E string shape, okay, is going to be 7 root 2. So we've got 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We're not going to play this 7. We're going to play root. We're not going to play the 2. Just root. So we've got, okay, so we're on that root now. Now we're going to go to the C string shape. Now I'm a little confused here. Okay, so the actual pentatonic would be, but we're not going to hit that third now. Oh, yes, we are. We're going to hit that third. Sorry, I thought that I was thinking the seventh. Okay, so remember, C has two, the third and the fifth. No matter where you are, C has two, the third and the fifth. So let's find the third and the fifth up here. Oh my gosh, but what shape am I in? Where am I at? Well, obviously it looks like we're in the E shape, but I have a number of ways to determine that. Okay, so we've got 3, 5 there. What's underneath it? Just the root. All right, so our E string shape's going to be just the root. Okay, justified a little bit to the left because we've got 7 root 2. Sorry about I didn't draw this exactly. Right, it's a little dangerous to use these diagrams, but just for the numbers. So if you almost could make flashcards for yourself. Say, what is the A triad? It's 5. Don't play the 6th. So you could like do the 6 as in gray or something, you know. And so remember, there is a half-step relationship here. Okay, and let me show you something from the website, from my Facebook group, Andy's Free Guitar Chart Videos. Okay, so this is my Andy's Free Guitar Chart Videos post for today, and I want to show you a little bit about, this is what we're looking at here over here. Okay, it's not letting me read this. All right, so down on the bottom paragraph there, okay, it says starting from another example. So another example with pentatonic E-shaped fifth of the A cage, the count is 7-2. You see that dash dash? So down here where we have, it keeps on doing that. Okay, over here. So we've got, down here I have this writing right down here, okay? E equals dash R dash 2. Okay, that means that one of the dashes is that 7, the other dash is the root sharp. So dash means a no play note. So for pentatonic, E equals no play, then R, then no play, then 2. The tritonic is no play, then R, then no play, then no play. That's what I wanted to show you. And by the way, don't forget Andy's Free Guitar Chart Videos here, where we have the charts posted, and you could join the group, apply. You have to have a Facebook membership though. Okay, so I don't want to bore you guys with that. There'll be a link below in the description, but you have to put the URL together. So half of it's just general Facebook groups, and then I give you the group number. You put the URL together, no spaces, put it in the address box, hit return, and you have to have a Facebook account that has a picture of yourself and where you're from, and a little information on you. Okay, so I know you're a real person, and that's your real Facebook account. I don't like people starting more than one Facebook account, but people do it a lot, trying to lose friends or whatever they're going to do. But anytime you start another account, you've got problems where the servers will tell you, well, there's already an account in that name. It's best to try and clean up an account and keep one account of something. Okay, I'm sure everybody knows. So everybody's got like 2 or 3 emails that they use. If one doesn't work, we use the other one. It just gets you into trouble, and it kind of a letdown if you're trying to get into a site. So I want you to use your real Facebook account to apply for membership of Andy's Free Guitar Chart Videos. Alright, so back to the lesson here. So again, this is just a number list. So D is going to have a 3 there, and let's look at the drawing tool for a second there, and what I was talking about with the line. Okay, so D would be 2, 3, 4, right? So we've got a line for the 2 there, okay, and then 3, and then a line for the 3 sharp.